Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Serena in China from MAXIZM Construction Machinery Company, which focus on exporting machinery for 15 years. Today we are at Qingdou Port. I want to introduce an excavator to you. This excavator is made by SDLG CE. The model is E6210F. The maximum digging height is about 9.5 meters. The maximum digging radius is about 9.9 meters, and the operating weight of the excavator is about 21,250 kilograms. Now let's look at the bucket. The loader capacity of the bucket is about 0.9 cubic meter. This is the engine, Perkins engine, turbocharged direct injection engine. The rated power is about 123 kilowatt, stable and reliable with full efficient. This is the cabin. Comfortable ROPS cabin with 2.7 cubic meter operational space, no farm cabin glasses to enlarge operation field of view. Now get close look at the inside of the cabin. Adjustable seat, pilot control, and air conditioner make the driver feel more comfortable. We are the largest construction machinery export group in China. We have different subsidiary brands in different cities, which have deep cooperation with local factories and with strong supply chain integration ability. Hope to be partner with you. Welcome your inquiry. See you.